Hi all, my name is Milena Pajic. Welcome to my course Getting Your Customers Involved with ICAgile, part of the ICAgile Certified Professional Agile Fundamentals path. I am a Master of Computer Science, PMP Certified Professional, Professional Scrum Master and a true Kanban evangelist. This course focuses on the importance of early and continuous customer involvement in product and project development. Some of the major topics that we will cover include defining main customer personas and their dynamics, benefits of customer involvement and pitfalls of omitting it, different feedback gathering techniques, and process of product adaptation. By the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation to plan and carry through frequent communication with your customers, choose the right feedback gathering technique, and reprioritize tasks in your product's backlog to deliver value. Speaking from my experience, customer engagement is sometimes easier said than done. So we'll follow the two development teams from the same company on their product development journey. I hope you'll join me to learn how to benefit from the early customer involvement and expand your skills.